That was the symptoms of a stuck idle air intake control valve, which is buried way down here. Hopefully we'll get some focus on that. It's at the end of the tip of my screwdriver. Last time I did this job, I had to remove the whole control valve and clean it out. Today I'm going to try something different. Yeah, at the rear of the valve there is this electronic device there. It's held on by two screws. Today we're going to try and remove that and see if we can free up the valve. Now that we've got that controller off, you can see that little armature there in the centre in between those two screws, and now what we're going to try and do is manipulate that and see if we can free that up. Yeah, I was able to free up that control valve. It was pretty stiff. But fortunately I just used my thumb and my finger and rotated it backwards and forwards to free it up, and yeah, it's all back together and now for a test drive. It's now the next day and we're going to cold start it for the first time, and it should fast idle up a little bit over 1000 RPM. There we go. Turn the air conditioner off. Okay, so far it appears to be doing what it's supposed to be doing. As the car warms up, that idle should come down to about 800. Yeah, gradually coming down as the engine gets warmer. Yeah, if you like the video, give us a thumbs up, send it to other people and subscribe, and if you like to buy me a cup of coffee, there's a link in the description there. You can sling me a few bucks if you want. Okay, and that's where it should be idling.